Ever wondered how to keep your pup looking fresh without breaking the bank? Let me share some budget-friendly grooming tips. Tip number 1. Regular brushing keeps their coat shiny and reduces shedding. A well-groomed dog? Check. Tip number 2. DIY dog shampoo using gentle ingredients from your kitchen. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought products. Tip number 3. Trim those nails safely at home with a good pair of clippers. Your furry friend will thank you. Which tip will you try first? Or are you already planning a grooming day for your pup?